This is Technology Consultant channel. I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video we'll teach you how to fix incoming call is not showing on your Android device. We'll teach you two methods. With these two methods you can fix this issue very easily. For first method, you have to go to your Android phone settings and then you have to scroll down, click on apps, scroll down, click on phone, and then here you will see first option notification. You have to click on it and then you have to check from here if something is disabled. You have to enable it and then you have to go back, click on storage. First of all you have to clear the cache, click on clear data, click on OK. Now you have to check do not disturb mode. Sometimes do not disturb mode also affects your incoming calls. Here you will see notifications and then here you will see do not disturb. You have to click on it. This one turned on, you have to disable this one and then you have to go back. Now I'll teach you the second method. You have to open Play Store. Here you have to type Google phone, click on search. Here you will see first application. You have to click on it, click on install. After installation you have to open this one and then you have to click on set as default. You have to select Google phone, click on set as default. So in the same way you can also fix your incoming calls notification. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.